Hello friends, today I will discuss about some major aspects of statistics. These are mean, median, mode and range. So initially I will discuss about mean. It is also called as average. The mean is computed by adding all of the numbers in the data together and dividing by the number of elements contained in the data set. So for example, if the data set contains 2593547, so number of total elements are 7 and mean will be addition of all these 7 divided by 7. So 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 7. So answer will be 5. So mean is 5 or average is 5. Second is median. The median of a data set is dependent on whether the number of elements in the data set is odd or even. So it is different for odd and it is also different for even data sets. First, reorder the data set from the smallest to the largest. So you have to write the data set in ascending order. Mark off high and low values until you reach the middle. So you have to mark off high and low values until you reach the middle. If there are two middles, then add them and divide by 2. So how you have to do it? For odd number of elements, you have to go through this process. So data set 2593547. So first of all, arrange in ordered way or ascending order 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7 and 9. So the middle one is 5 and it is also called as median here. So median is 5. It for even number of elements. So for even number of elements, if data set contains 2, 5, 9, 3, 5 and 4. So if you reorder them in ascending order, you will write 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 9 and the middle 2, 4 and 5. So add them 4 plus 5 and divide it by 2. So median will be 4.5. Next is mode, most often. The mode for a data set is the element that occurs the most often. It is not uncommon for a data set to have more than one mode. This happens when two or more elements occur with equal frequency in the data set. So see the example, data set 2593547, and here if you arrange them, you will find that the 5 is repeated twice. That's why the mode will be 5. Next example, data set is 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 4 and 7. Here 2 is repeated and 5 is also repeated. So 2 and 5 are the modes. Next is range. The range for a data set is the difference between the largest value and smallest value contained in the data set. First, reorder the data set from smallest to largest, then subtract the first element from the last element. So how you have to do it? Data set is 2593547 and when you reorder them, you will write 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7 and 9. So the largest is 9 and smallest is 2. So just subtract 2 from 9. You will get 7. So that is the range. So what is the rule? You can write in this way. To find the mean, just add all values, then divide by the number of the values. For example, data set 2593547, number of elements in set is 7, and mean is addition of all these and divided by 7. You will get 5, as I have given the first example. To find out the median, put numbers in order from least to greatest. Mark off high and low values until you reach the middle. If there are two middles, add them and divide by 2. Again the same example, data set 2593547, and when you reorder them, you will find 2345579 and median is 5 for odd number. And for even number, again if two values are there in middle like 4 and 5, so you will add 4 and 5 and divide by 2. You will get median 4.5. To find out the mode, put numbers in order from least to greatest. Find the numbers that appear the more. There may be more than one mode, or there may be two modes. For example, data set 2593547 and mode is 5, because 5 is repeated 2 times, and another example where 2 and 5 are repeated. That's why 2 modes are in this example. To find out the range, put numbers in order from least to greatest, then subtract the lowest number from the highest number. For example, data set 2593547 and least is 2 and largest is 9, so subtract 2 from 9, you will get data range is 7. So thank you very much.